Alright, so good afternoon. We're at the Register General's Department again today. Now what we've done, we've picked up our client in Kingston. We've brought them down here first thing this morning. Then we've had to head to the stamp office, Harbour Street, to get some documents stamped. And we've come back here again to complete the process. So here they offer a service called Discover Your Roots. Discover you, discover your family origin, discover your family members, discover your heritage. Okay, so at One Stop Cultural Tours, we assist people with the process. We'll give you a number of someone to speak to in this venue, and you can speak and start the process online beforehand. And then when you arrive in Jamaica, we'll pick you up, bring you here, and assist you throughout. So we followed the person around, we've taken them around just to chaperone them to make sure they've completed everything. So yeah, One Stop Cultural Tours Jamaica in Spanish Town, the Register General's Department.